Ever clicked on a link expecting to find exactly what you were looking for, only to be greeted with the infamous 404 page not found error? It's frustrating for users and a nightmare for website owners, especially on WordPress sites. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you 5 ways to fix this error and get back to your browsing. Hello, I'm Jade from Rapid, the industry leader on managed WordPress hosting. Whether you're a web developer, a blogger, or just surfing the web, encountering a 404 error can be frustrating. First, let's understand what a 404 page not found error is. A 404 error happens when the server can't find the request page on your WordPress site. This could be due to a broken link, a deleted page, or a mistyped URL. But the good news is there are several ways to fix it. Before we explore solutions for the annoying 404 error, it's important to recognize the role of a good hosting environment in preventing and resolving these issues. Rapid Cloud doesn't just keep your site online, it keeps your site running smoothly with fewer interruptions and errors. We offer specialized support, including automatic updates for themes, plugins, and the core WordPress software. Check out the link in the description to learn more about our services. Now let's get to solving this puzzle with our first tip. Verify the URL. Typos are the simplest cause of a 404 error. Make sure that the link you or your visitors are typing to access is spelled correctly. Number 2, reset permalinks. Sometimes all it takes is going to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to settings, then permalinks, and simply hitting save changes without altering anything. This can refresh your site's permalink structure and resolve the issue. Tip number 3 is checking for deleted pages. If a page was removed intentionally or accidentally, either restore it from the trash or recreate it. To do that, on your WordPress dashboard, click on Pages to view all your pages. At the top of the Pages section, click on the Trash tab to view all pages that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Hover over the title of the page you wish to restore. You will see 2 options appear beneath it, Restore and Delete Permanently. Click on Restore. The page will be moved out of the trash and back into your list of pages, typically as a draft. Moving on to tip number 4. Inspect your htaccess file. An incorrect configuration here can lead to 404 errors. Access your htaccess file via SFTP and you can reset it by selecting the plain option in your permalink settings, which generates a new htaccess file. Setting up a 301 redirect in WordPress is an effective way to fix a 404 error, especially if the error is due to a page that has been moved or renamed. The easiest way to set up a 301 redirect is by using a WordPress plugin. One popular choice is the redirection plugin, which allows you to manage 301 redirects and monitor 404 errors without needing to edit server files directly. For those who are comfortable editing system files, you can manually add a 301 redirect by editing the htaccess file. This method requires access to your site's root directory via SFTP or your hosting provider's file manager. Once you connect to your website using an SFTP client or through your hosting provider's control panel, find the htaccess file in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Edit the htaccess file, but make sure to have a backup of your file before making any changes to it. Open the htaccess file with a text editor and add the following line at the end of the file for each redirect. Replace /oldpage.html with the relative path of the old URL causing the 404 error and /newpage.html with the relative path of the new URL to which you want to redirect. Save your changes and upload the htaccess file back to the server if you edited it offline. And there you have it, 5 tips to help you fix the 404 page not found error on your WordPress site. With these strategies, you're well on your way to ensure a smooth experience for your site's visitors. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if it helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to use the comment section below. See you in the next video!